In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Outlook contacts to Excel. If you want a clean list of your contacts for reporting, sharing, or a quick backup, this walkthrough will guide you through Outlook's built-in export tool to produce a CSV file that opens neatly in Excel. I'll keep things clear and straightforward so you can follow along without missing a beat. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. We'll be using the desktop app. Once Outlook is open, look to the very top left corner and click the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage view where all the import and export tools live. On the left side, choose Open and Export. This section contains the options we need to move data in and out of Outlook. Next, click Import/Export. That opens the Import and Export wizard, which will guide us the rest of the way. In the wizard, select Export to a file, then click Next. This tells Outlook we're creating a file from your existing data rather than bringing data in. For the file type, choose comma-separated values and click Next. A CSV file is a simple, widely compatible format that Excel opens immediately, and it preserves your contact details in a tabular form that's easy to sort, filter, and analyze. Now pick the contacts folder you want to export. If you have multiple email accounts or several contact folders, carefully select the one that contains the people you need. When you're sure, click Next, then click Browse to choose where to save your export. Choose a familiar location like your documents or desktop so the file is easy to find later. Avoid saving deep inside system folders you rarely open. When the location is set, give your file a clear, memorable name. Something like Outlook Contacts followed by today's date works well, so you always know what it contains. Click OK to confirm the name and location, then click Next and finally click Finish to start the export. Outlook will create the CSV file based on your selected folder. If you have a large number of contacts, give it a moment to complete. When it's done, your contacts are neatly packaged in a single CSV that Excel can open directly, making it simple to clean up columns, sort by company or last name, or share the list with your team. And that's it, you've exported your Outlook contacts to a file that works perfectly with Excel, using only the built-in tools.